Okay, today we're gonna do this Team Rocket tin. Hi. Look at this. Open. Got this promo and 5 packs, 3 Destined Rival, 2 Journey Together. Move this tin out of the way. Let's start with the 2 Journey Togethers. Let's see. Twice. Ooh, we got Zoroark. Yes. Super cool. Okay, and put that one there. Our second pack. Hollow Butterfree. Okay, let's see if we get anything out of this light. Oh, guys, Zeraora. Love that. This is my kiddo's favorite card, so I'm gonna keep that out, just leave it up for him. Or not favorite card, but that's his favorite Pokemon. Oh, Team Rocket's Ariana. Very cool. And here's our last pack. Let's see if we can get anything. Oh, well, there's something there. Got a Ethan's Ho-Oh. Oh, hey. You can go right up there next to your twin. Okay, so not too bad. Got the Ethan's Ho-Oh, Team Rocket's Ariana, Zeraora, and Zoroark. Plus the sick Mewtwo promo.